Hello friends, welcome back to Python series. In this video, I am going to explain about Python constant. A constant is a variable type whose value cannot be changed. It can be taken as the containers that holds data and that data cannot be changed later in the program execution. A Python constant is a variable whose value cannot be changed throughout the program. Now, how we can assign values to constant? Constants are typically declared and assigned in a module in Python. Here I am creating a module is a new file containing variables, functions, and that is imported into the main file. Constants are written in all capital letters with underscores separating the words within the module. Assigning values to constants. I am creating a separate constant.py file for declaring constants. Then I can use this file to import the constant module in the main.py file from the constant.py file. Now open constant.py file and write these lines. Pi equal to 3.14 and gravity equal to 9.8. Now browse main.py file in Python IDE and write these lines in it. Here I have imported constant module as const. Then store the value of const.py in py variable and const.gravity in gravity variable. At last, by using print function, we are getting the output. Thanks for watching video. Hit bell icon to get new video.